What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you my experience with the Ktuned turn down, or some people call it dolphin tail exhaust. This is the 3-inch one. They also have the 2.5-inch, but the difference is not that much. When I ordered this, I thought it was gonna be too big, but I think it's a really good size for your Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you some the co-star and some videos when the car is running, and I'm gonna explain to you why this was a good investment for your Honda Accord. Check it out. So there you have it, guys. That's the Ktuned 3-inch turn down dolphin tail exhaust. I hope you like it. I mean, since I got the Honda Accord, I've been trying different exhausts. I even did one crazy thing where I put a Mustang exhaust, catback exhaust in the car, because I put the bumper in the rear lip of the car with the 2 holes. So my car is 4-cylinder, and I wanted to look like it's a 6-cylinder dual exhaust, and I did that, but it was a total disaster. That's when the beginning when I bought the Accord. Then later I bought one on eBay, right? Where for $130, $140, something like that. They sell you the whole exhaust, because this Ktuned is just the catback, just the muffler itself, right? And the one they sell on eBay, it looks really good on the picture and everything. It comes from the catalytic converter all the way down, so the whole pipe all the way down onto the catback, right? So I ordered that, and it looks good. It looks new, as I'm gonna show you in the picture. But after like 2 weeks of using it, the tip or the end of the catback just got loose for no reason. It was just sounding inside. Something was loose, so I stopped. I see it was loose. Bring it to the muffler shop. I welded well, And again, like after a few days, same thing happened, and it was really loud. I was getting pulled over by the cops like 3 times in a week. Yeah, I'm not lying. I'm not making this up. It just was so loud because at the end, this little tip at the end was keep breaking it. I was like, you know what? If you're gonna leave it like that, and it was so annoying. It was super loud. You can even talk to people in the car. You can even have a phone call or even listen to your music. It was so loud. So at the end of the day, I thought the Ktuned it wouldn't be like really extremely loud, but it wasn't like that. It had this aggressive look, like it's gonna be loud, but at the end of the day, as you saw in the video, it's not that loud and it's good. Especially, I have a straight pipe, right? And I'm turbo now. But especially if you have your Honda Accord with a stock exhaust and you have your catalytic converter, it will be a little even quieter than that, more smooth. So you have your catalytic converter and you have your factory exhaust. The only thing you're gonna change is the catback. You're gonna like it even more. Up to you. You want the look to be a little smaller, you get a 2.5, but I don't think it's worth it. I think it's just rather get it's almost the same price or the same price. Just rather get the 3-inch tuned down exhaust from Ktuned. Well guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe and share this video with your friend, with Honda Accords or TSX. So they will be welcome to the channel. Any questions, I'm right here. I'm gonna be working on another video about Ktuned, some Ktuned parts that you can put on your car to make it cheap faster. That should be my next video. Also, okay guys, thanks again. Subscribe. See you next time.